Hello, YouTube. Tyrouge here, aka Lousy Gamer. But I'm gonna cut this intro short because we down to a serious matter here. I did some research. I'm a very big Slender fan, and there's a game on Xbox Marketplace called White Noise. Yeah, we're about to play this crap. Okay. Alright. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm about to fucking play this shit. See? Set up just like Slender. We gotta find the fucking tape recorders. This ain't fucking cool, man. Why the fuck did I agree to play this shit? It's in the dark too. Oh my god. Hey, oh my god. If I scream too loud, just don't pay it no mind, alright? Because this shit is ridiculous, man. This looks scary as shit. I swear there's a motherfucker right behind me. I'm about to fucking freak out. Babe. Oh my god. Actually, this is ridiculous. You don't want nothing, son? No, and I'm not even gonna say that because usually they freaking pop up right there. Oh my god. And he's on his way. Freaking heart is beating right now. I don't get how Poise does it. This man could do this with no problem. And I don't understand. Come on. Yeah! Okay, maybe I thought that just like... Oh no. I hope you don't warp like Slender. Okay. I'm about to flip out if you're behind me. Yeah! Okay. Look at him. Look at him. Just right there. I haven't found one tape. Oh shit! Stay away from me, dog. Where'd he go? Okay, see, I don't like that, man. This man just disappeared. This ain't cool, dog. Okay, I might not even play this shit ever again. Where is 8? I haven't found that. Yeah. Stay away from me, dog. Suck my nuts. You ain't catching me. I swear if you right. Oh my god. Yeah. Is he right there? Oh! You can't get me. Oh, goddamn. This man ain't nowhere to be found. Oh my god, don't be behind me. Oh my god. Oh man. Where you at? Ain't nobody scared of you, homie. I swear if this man behind me, I'm about to freaking freak out. He don't even look scary, it's just the noises. And the fact that he pop up on you. And I can't find nan tape recorder. This is not cool. Oh my god. Come on. Give me something. And now my freaking flashlight's flicker. Oh, shit, where is he? Where'd you go? Where you at? Oh, there he is. Gah! You ain't catching me. Gah! No! Gah! Run! Oh my god, goddamn. And now he's nowhere to be. Is he even right there still? Man, what the fuck? Yeah, he's nowhere to be found now.
I did that myself. He gave me the count when I was level 10, but he didn't have any normal games.
Oh my god. This gameplay is like almost a little bit long. Okay, come on. Where is this bitch? I can't find no tape recorders, dog. Okay, where you at? Tape recorder number 1. And yet I cannot find you. Please don't be behind me. Yeah! Okay, good. Whew. Maybe it's one over here. Maybe. Aw, damn. And my freaking flashlight's dying. Y'all can't even see my face, but I'm shaking right now. Like a little bitch. God damn, man. Where you at, man? Oh! Stay away from me, stay away from me, stay away from me. Is he? Oh my god. Well, I'm Tyrouge, and that was White Noise. Tape recorders found 0. Time 5. That was some bullshit. I ain't playing this shit no more.